Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So I have a really fun tutorial for you guys, or review, not really a tutorial, a review of the Milk and Honey Lotta body products. I'm going to be using their shampoos, their conditioner, their leave-in conditioner, as well as their Refine Me Curl Defining Mousse. So I have some really cool products that I am so excited to try from Lotta Body. So you guys have to tell me, have you known about this all along and I've just been like out of the loop? Like seriously, I had no idea that Lotta Body had this milk and honey. I mean, it says new, so I know it's new, but how new? I didn't know about this. Did you? I don't know, but we are gonna find out today how these products work in my hair. So if you want to see how these products work, make sure you keep watching. Hi guys, so let's just go ahead and jump into the video. So I'm actually going to take off my rings because I hate when they get tangled in my hair. But I will be starting this off with the Lotta Body Milk Honey Restore Me Cream Shampoo. It removes product buildup, restores moisture, makes hair soft and manageable. It's for natural hair. It's no sulfates. So this is what I will be using on my hair. So we're gonna go ahead and just hop in with the first section. So I've never, if you've been watching my videos, I've never done this outside of the shower. So I'm winging it, guys. Just want to make sure we get those roots nice and good. Let's see. Right now it smells really good. I can definitely say that. It feels nice. It's very creamy. See if I can rake my hand. Can't really rake my hand through it, but also my hair isn't detangled. I literally just jumped right into this video. I didn't even detangle my hair, and normally I would like detangle my hair with conditioner first. All of this is done in the shower, so I'm kind of out of my own element. So yeah, I normally would detangle my hair first. So it's a little hard to kind of get through because my hair isn't detangled, but it doesn't feel bad. It doesn't have like that rough feeling that sometimes shampoos can give. And that's usually because they have sulfates in it. This doesn't have sulfate in it, so this is actually making my hair, my roots feel really nice. Yeah. So far, shampoo isn't bad. Yep. It suds up really well. This is like good shampoo. I definitely would use this on my hair. Let's rinse it out, see how it feels, and then I'll move on to the conditioner. Okay? All right, I am back, and so now I am going to go ahead and jump into the Restore Me Cream Conditioner. This is deeply moisturizes. It makes your hair feel soft and manageable. For natural hairs, no sulfate. So this is the conditioner. Ooh. All right, we got some conditioner. I'm gonna just put this, lay it on there. Now for the conditioner, I will detangle because, like I said, I didn't detangle before, and there's no way I can do a wash and go without detangling my hair a little bit. Usually, okay, so let me just stop and just explain what's going on with this conditioner. I could tell you already that I don't like the way it makes my hair feel. I just don't think it's creamy enough. Like, it looks creamy, but it does not feel like it's not giving me much slip. Let's make sure we get rid of all these little pieces. But I guess nothing will satisfy me the way Aussie Moist conditioner satisfies me. It just won't, because I don't like this. I mean, it's not horrible, but it's not like the best. To me, when you apply conditioner, it should have like really good slip. And this just doesn't have the best slip to me. But it's detangling, as you can see. Make sure I'm in the camera, in the frame, so you can see me. But it is detangling, let me say that. Make sure I put everything away. Okay, it's starting to feel a little better. So it might just be me, because I didn't detangle like I'm used to. Because look at that. Oh shoot, let me take it back. That's not too bad. Well, I have been corrected. My initial feeling was like, I just didn't like the way it was making my hair feel. But once I was able to actually detangle my hair, it feels a little bit better. I mean, it's still not as soft as the Aussie Moist, because even I don't care how tangled my hair is, when I put that Aussie Moist in, it just be like shoo. But all right guys, I am back. Everything is washed, conditioned, and now it is time to go ahead and style. So in order to style, we are going to continue on with the Lotta Body Milk Honey. We're going to use their Nourish Me Leave-In Conditioner. Locks in moisture, continuous intense hydration, detangles and adds shine. So this is what I'm going to put on my hair as a leave-in conditioner. I'm also going to go ahead and go in with the Milk and Honey Refine Me Curl Defining Mousse. So I'm going to be using this to define my curls. And then to give me an extra little bit of hold, I'm going to use the Eco Styler Olive Oil, Shea Butter, Black Castor Oil, and Flaxseed Gel that I promised that I would try out. So I'm not going to hold y'all. I'm going to just hop right in. Now that is slip. That feels nice. I like that. That's it's really creamy, kind of like the shampoo, how creamy the shampoo was. That's how creamy this is. Yes, I like it. Now if you notice, this is where I have some of my heat damage, so the definition of my curls will come later, because I do have like these little straight pieces, but eventually they kind of spiral up, and you'll definitely see that as I continue on. So now, after the conditioner, I'm going to go ahead and move on to the mousse. Mousse. And if you want, you can skip the mousse, but this is actually my first time trying mousse on a wash and go. So I'm super interested in seeing what that will look like. Just because the mousse says that it's a curl defining mousse. It has medium hold for soft curls, defines curl, add body, and shine. So I'm thinking it's going to help keep my hair kind of like, give me some volume, give me some body. It won't just be weighed down. And then also you can use these if you want to do a perm rod set or anything like that. That heat damage wasn't no joke, okay? But it's just too far up for me to cut any more of it off. So I just work with it until basically I can't anymore. But if you see my last video when I cut off my hair, a lot of my hair is like grown back already, which is good. So that means I can cut off some more in the front eventually. Let me just take these clips out so you can see this is the side that has more curls, it has more body because there's less heat damage on this side. This side is where all the heat damage is. Alright guys, so this is the finished product. Of course it needs to dry just a little bit more, but as you can see it's starting to shrink up now. I hope you like it. The products, they work really well. I have to admit I'm not a fan of the conditioner. I think I'm never a fan of conditioners because I just love Aussie Moist. So not a big fan of the conditioner, but I'll definitely finish it off. The shampoo was good, very creamy. I love things that are creamy and that just make my hair feels like silk, you know? I just love that. And that's what the leave-in conditioner actually did. I absolutely love the milk and honey leave-in conditioner. So this one is something that I'll use all the time. I'm pretty sure I'll use this a lot. I absolutely love this leave-in conditioner. The mousse, I'm actually gonna try and use it for like a perm rod set or a roller set or something like that. So I'll definitely be back to try that on one of those styles. It went well. This is my first time using the mousse with the Eco Styler gel, and I think it came out pretty good. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and make sure you hit that notification button so you know when I'm doing another video. Okay? Alright, I'll see you next time. Bye.